Hi folks. So yesterday I kind of pulled an all-nighter and this is what I was able to complete. So like you see, almost the entire cycle parts are here. Couple of parts are missing. One thing that we need to do is remove that there is one bolt stuck in the disc plate. Other than that, I need to put something here because that gap is too large. We need a rear wheel spacer. Actually gave it for paint and I forgot to take it. I got these new tires and wheels. So my first choice was Michelin Serac Street, but since they were not available in the shop, so I went with these TVS tires. The bike also came with a set of TVS tires and I think they look good. These shocks actually look awesome. I didn't expect them to be that great, but anyways they look awesome. I would recommend everybody install those on their Shogun, especially the red ones, because if the Shogun is black this would really pop. One small problem after fixing those rear shocks and putting the Apache front end here, the stand is little short, but that is not a huge problem. We can actually either extend the stand, or we can use something like a wooden plank to put the bike on the stand. So that's about it for today. I have some work that I need to tend to, so once that is taken care of, then probably I'll circle back on this. So if everything goes well, by tomorrow evening this bike should be running, so I'm hoping to do that. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.